Yan, isang magandang araw mga tropa. Pupunta tayo ngayon sa sa food bank. Dito kasi sa Canada may tinatawag na food bank. Yung mga gusto, pwede kang lumapit sa mga government organization, tapos pwedeng humingi ng pagkain or mga groceries. Yan, sunduin natin si Bong. Kasi sila, bagong dating sila dito, tapos student yung asawa niya, wala pa silang sasakyan, tapos kailangan kasi doon may sasakyan kasi marami yung grocery, tapos medyo malayo din. Ayan. Samahan muna natin siya, kukuha tayo ng groceries sa food bank. Ngayon dito is drive-thru na lang. Drive ka lang doon, papark ka, lalapit sila, tapos ibibigay na nila yung mga grocery. Ayan, samahan nyo kami. Thank you.
How many adults in your? It's okay.
Three adults.
Three
Three adults and three kids.
And how many?
Three kids.
And how old are the kids?
10, 5, 3.
10, 5. So 6 in your family.
Yes, that's right.
6. Okay. We have chicken today.
Last time, I would like to ask if there's a rice. Fine.
If we have rice, they will put it in.
Oh, that's good.
Okay.
Okay.
That it's all depends
Okay.
whether we get some or not. Okay.
I'm just curious if
Yeah,
there's
I know. I mean, I know there are potatoes.
Oh,
but,
really?
Rice sometimes doesn't come in enough. So,
Yeah, that's alright.
okay.
Thank you.
Any extras you need, like dog, cat, toiletries?
Yeah.
That's it.
Hey, that's all?
Thanks. Yeah. Have a good day.
Yeah,
thank you very
Your
much.
battery is off. You can turn it off.
Thank you. Dito na tayo sa Calgary Food Bank. Ayan, nilapitan na tayo. So, hintayin na lang natin yung ating pre, video tayo.
Yan, salamat. At mayroon namang panibagong ayuda.
Ayuda dito sa Kaya hintayin na lang natin yung dadating. Siyempre,
Mas na-expert lang sa amin.
dami dalawang card.
Yung kinuha natin, natapon lang yung tatlo.
Hindi nyo.
Hindi rin namin na yung
Yan
saka mga tinapay, karami
Dalawang
na
cart.
natapon.
Ayan, dami din.
Second, ayuda.
The second time na namin pumunta dito Ayan. Gulay, karne.
Ayos.
Itlog. Ayos, pre.
Ayos, salamat.
So ayan, bahay na tayo. Ayan, nakakuha na tayo ng pagkain sa food bank. Ayos din kasi marami din siya nakuha. So, for practical reason din, sayang din kasi libre naman. So, ayan, pinapakinabangan din naman yung mga nakukuha doon. So, yun lang mga tropa. Hanggang sa susunod.